I think Talasey supplier has been really good for us. Service has been brilliant. The availability has been good, even through some of the shipping crisis with containers. Availability has been good and strong, so it's been a really good experience so far, and customer service has been brilliant. I think from customers and staff alike, really impressed with the quality of the product. It's gone down well. We've generated a lot of sales, and I think since Talasey has been on board, it's helped us compete a lot better in the market as well. So it's been really good for us. Amazing, to be honest. So I really shouted and pushed to have it installed. And Elliotts got behind it and really pulled out all the stops to get put in. We've seen easily a 30% increase in like-for-like sales in last year through landscaping alone, which is massive in anyone's terms. So it was well worth it, and it does the same for us. And the product showcases the product. People want to see it on the ground. They want to walk on it. They want to see what it looks like when it's fitted. So it's been perfect for us, and future-wise, it's just opened up so many opportunities. So it's great. Absolutely, yeah. Customer service great, quality of product is great, and and when we showcase the product, it sells itself.